Alrighty guys, this is a severe blizzard warning update. It is, hold on, it's 8:51 in the morning on Friday, February 8th. Yes, so we have blizzard warning or some blizzard thing in effect until like tomorrow because it's supposed to snow all day and all night. But it just started snowing maybe 45 minutes ago when I was trying to work on the gator. And the gator doesn't want to start for some reason. But let's see if we can get this stuff to focus. And the camera doesn't want to pick it up. I don't believe so, you can't pick it up, but it is snowing. That's pretty cool how it focuses like that. Yeah, so that's how everything's going. We have a bunch of other stuff, and I will keep you guys updated as the storm progresses. And yeah, just doing a storm update. So later.